Good morning, I'm Marlene. Welcome back to Vanny Orchards. Today we over here at the site where the school is, where our projects, the vegetable garden and the orchards. We finally finished everything with the gravel. Fall is coming up, so I'm prepping some of the raised bed for falls, and I'm going to be planting sugar snap peas, some carrots, some lettuce because the school using a lot of lettuce and also cilantro. This is the long pole bean. Some people call it snake bean. And on this side is red, and on my right side is green. I'm so excited. So this is the red one from this side. So I can't wait to show the kid. They're going to be so excited. They're going to see all this bean, red and green. It's going to be so colorful. And we plant this from the seed also. So this is the red bean. And all you have to do, just twist them. This is how I train cucumber to climb up to the trellis. When they're not too tall, I kind of, training them by using the tomato clip right here. Let me show you. See this? So they can start and grab on to the trellis, basically. And then every time they're getting taller, all you have to do is just help them, guide them a little bit, and twist them around the trellis so they keep going up. Sometimes also I take some of this out because I want all the energy focus to the vine and to the cucumber. They all stop picking up, going up already. So you notice right here, they're not using it. See, you just cut it out. And like this, it starts to climbing already. And I know that they don't need this. I take it out. And see right here, they don't use it. I take it out. We planted this from seed about 3 weeks ago, and also depending on the weather. It's cucumber like heat, so when it's hot they go real fast. So this is how fast they grow in 3 weeks. While in this raised bed we have chili, we have oregano, we have English lavender, Swiss chard, eggplant, sage, marigold, and cucumber. Today I'm harvesting eggplant. A lot is ready to be picked. Look at this. And this one, still a little bit. I wait a little bit. I'm picking some Swiss chard for the kitchen. And when you pick them where the see this right here. That's how you pick them. Just all the way to the bottom. And just pull them out like that. This right here go compost in here. I'm going to pick some more, and I know the kitchen is going to love it. So I got to pick some more right now. If you can see this raised bed right here, the school is close to the mountain. It's the foothill, and we have a lot of wildlife. They dig them almost every single raised bed, and this is the problem that we have with, and now we try to figure out how we're going to deal with this. So this is the issues we have. And some of the vegetable that we plant, just like over there, all those cucumber, those Persian cucumber that we plant is all digging out. They took it all out right there. If you guys have any tip, please leave in the comments so we can figure out how to deal with this issue that we're having right now in the raised bed, because especially fall's coming up and all this new vegetable had to be planted. And if you know what to do, please leave your comment.
Hi, my name is Victor. I am recently retired and I'm helping my wife out in this garden project. And right now I am currently deadheading some marigolds because they seem to be growing wild, but taking care of all that. All coming out here is real great because it just gives me a sense of freedom, so to speak, from my work. So now that I'm retired, so I enjoy it.
So this is a 3-bin composting system, and we have some clippings from today that I'm going to toss in here. I think this is going to be a really cool educational opportunity for the kids to learn about some science, how to recycle your garden clippings and make fresh organic soil with it. With a 3-bin composting system, in the first section we're putting the fresh clippings from either the garden or scraps from the kitchen, and when it breaks down and decomposes more, we go ahead and add that to the middle section, and then when it's fully composted, we put it in the third section where it'll be ready to use back into the raised beds and the trees in our garden.
This is basil, and you don't want them to go to flowers. And this is how you harvest them so you can get more out of it. So what you do is you cut right here so it's more coming out. Look at this one, the same thing. You see the leaf come between it, you cut them right here. I tried to go a little bit low, you see that, because you can get more out of it. Well, I got a lot of basil, and I'm sure the kitchen's going to be very happy. They can make some pesto out of this one. So I'm going to take it to the kitchen right now, nice and fresh. Today we give you an update to the vegetable garden in our 12 raised bed, and the issue we have is some wildlife been digging all over the raised bed. I know we haven't shown you our orchard yet, and we will give you a tour to our orchard garden and you'll see what is growing over there. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.